In the constellation Orion lies a star that has fascinated astronomers for centuries. This star is Betelgeuse, a red giant much larger and more massive than our Sun. However, in recent years, Betelgeuse has shown unusual behavior, dimming significantly and experiencing violent vibrations. These events have led to speculation that this star is on the verge of a supernova. But what if what we are witnessing is actually the beginning of an even more terrifying event? What if Betelgeuse is not about to explode but instead to collapse in on itself? Join us on this journey to the shoulder of Orion's warrior to analyze in detail these changes in Betelgeuse and the possible consequences for Earth. Betelgeuse is a star of gigantic proportions with a size approximately 1,000 times larger than our own Sun. While its grandeur is astounding, it also carries with it the fate of massive stars. A limited lifetime that could trigger a catastrophic supernova explosion. The uncertainty lies in the exact timing of this eventual collapse, making it a cosmic time bomb that remains a mystery to scientists. Only 650 light-years away, Betelgeuse has captivated astronomers with its brightness. We stand in awe of its brilliance as we try to unravel the mysteries hidden in its fiery depths. Surprisingly, only 13% of its radiant energy is visible to us. If we could see its full splendor, it would eclipse even Sirius, the brightest star in our night sky. Imagine a gigantic star with a radius 1,000 times that of our Sun, extending beyond the asteroid belt and almost touching Jupiter. In this vast realm, Earth, Mars, Mercury, and Venus would be devoured by the irresistible cosmic allure of Betelgeuse. However, the mysteries of Betelgeuse do not end there. Every millennium, the star throws off a solar mass, releasing a magnificent stellar spectacle in the form of a nebula. This nebula, which is 250 times larger than the star itself, envelops Betelgeuse with an ethereal haze that draws our gaze, extending its reach to 30 astronomical units. This nebula invites us to witness a cosmic dance of wonders and discover its deepest secrets. Delving into the heart of Betelgeuse's creation, we find the alchemy of hydrogen fusion, where helium ignites in a cosmic explosion. Eventually, the star's hydrogen fuel runs out, triggering a celestial metamorphosis, and the star begins to fuse carbon, unleashing a glow that spreads across the cosmos. However, even this grandiose fusion has its limits. When iron forms from the fusion, a momentous transformation occurs. The star's gravitational pull is released due to the absence of energy, triggering an imminent collapse that propels Betelgeuse toward a fate that is both awesome and cataclysmic. A supernova explosion. This colossal celestial entity releases a force equivalent to the energy of 10 billion suns, creating unimaginable power that resonates throughout the cosmos. Over the centuries, stars undergo a fascinating transformation, from the vibrant blue hues of their youth to the fiery reds of their maturity. During the 2nd century BC, Chinese stargazers made an intriguing observation, identifying Betelgeuse by the distinctive red color that set it apart in the celestial tapestry. Eventually, this observation passed to the keen eyes of the Greco-Roman astronomer Ptolemy in the 2nd century AD, who in his mystic records described Betelgeuse as having an orange or reddish appearance, a feature that to this day continues to catch our attention. The consistent coloration of Betelgeuse throughout different civilizations, including medieval Middle Eastern observers, adds even more intrigue to its mysterious nature. The story of Betelgeuse takes an enigmatic turn as we dive into its surprising behavior. In 2019, the star puzzled scientists by suddenly dimming in brightness. Some thought that a large cloud of dust shed from the star's surface blocked our view of it, but there is still no clear explanation for its origin. Some scientists speculate that a sizable object, such as a planet, may have disturbed the star's surface or even been absorbed by it. In recent months, Betelgeuse has shown an increasing brightness, close to 50% of its average brightness, which is unexpected as normally stars tend to become dimmer as they age. Scientists are unsure of the cause behind this sudden increase in brightness, although they know that stars can experience brightness changes for various reasons. For example, some stars go through cycles of bright and dim phases. The star Mira is known as the Wonder Star because it changes its brightness, expanding and contracting regularly, which affects the amount of light it emits. This phenomenon is common in many stars, including the star Algol and 30 other stars that can be observed in the night sky without a telescope. In the deep core of Betelgeuse, a seismic shift was taking place where the ejection of fiery material hurled into space created an ethereal dust cloud of magnificent proportion. A field of celestial dust covered a significant portion of Betelgeuse's radiant light, transforming it from a glowing beacon to a dim luminary in the night sky. Its brightness declined to unimaginable levels, dropping from being one of the 10 brightest stars to being among the 20 brightest. In recent months, Betelgeuse has defied all expectations and baffled scientists around the world with its extraordinary behavior. Theories abound that attempt to unravel the enigma behind these dramatic fluctuations. Some speculate that massive sunspots or dust clouds could be responsible for these changes, while others ponder the possibility of coincident cycles. Research has exposed an incredible notion. The supernova explosion may have already occurred. Yes, you read that right. Although previous estimates projected that Betelgeuse's supernova event could occur hundreds of thousands of years from now, there is now evidence to suggest a different story. Some scientists believe that a supernova has actually already occurred in our galaxy centuries ago. Known as Kepler's supernova, which graces the heavens with its magnificence, researchers have developed a model suggesting Betelgeuse is in a late stage of carbon burning, indicating it could be on the verge of a magnificent explosion, making it a strong candidate for the next supernova event in our Milky Way galaxy. As a grand finale in the cosmic symphony, Betelgeuse stands out as a contender for the next supernova within our beloved Milky Way. However, understanding Betelgeuse is like solving a puzzle due to conflicting observations. It has experienced massive ejections of material and subsequent recovery, suggesting a mass ejection event. Though not on the scale of our Sun, herein lies the twist. Supernovae are real phenomena, and we witnessed one in a satellite galaxy of the Milky Way in 1987. Although our estimates of Betelgeuse's explosion may be uncertain, there is no time to plan a vacation around it. The challenge lies in the difficulty of observing Betelgeuse. Scientists have studied this star for centuries and have observed changes in its brightness, suggesting that it is aging and could go supernova in the near future. However, there is insufficient evidence to say with certainty when this will occur. A supernova is an extremely bright explosion that occurs when a star reaches the end of its life. Although harmless to life on Earth and safe to observe with the naked eye from our planet, the brightness of a supernova depends on the size of the exploding star. Since Betelgeuse is a very large star, its supernova will be extremely bright, comparable to a crescent moon, and visible even during the day. What do you think? Do you think Betelgeuse has already exploded? Let us know in the comments box. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more content like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.